Naga people. First, the Indian government has decided to scrap the free movement regime agreement it had with Myanmar since 2018. The agreement used to allow travel and visits within 16 kilometers on both sides of the border without a visa. Second, not only that, India has decided to build a border fence along the border with Myanmar, which will cut right through the Naga homeland, separating Naga villages and communities between the two countries. Third, there is already discussion about whether the Assam Rifles of the Border Security Force will be charged with the border security fence. This means that the Indian Armed Forces, and finally, resuming the negotiations of the Indo-Pacific